When starting your digital product business, one of the first and biggest question that you may have is, what type of digital product should I create? Should I start with a course? Should I start with an ebook? Should I start with a template? In this video today, I'm going to break down all three so you can choose which one matches your skills, the time you have on your hand right now, and the goals that you're trying to reach so that you can start earning faster. So let's go. I know how overwhelming it can be to have an idea in your mind but not know where to start. And this was me 5 years ago. Like I did not know where to even begin. Like, should I create a product? Should I offer services? What do I do? What type of business do I want to do? And these are the questions that normally, as beginners getting started in entrepreneurship, or even if you've been an entrepreneur, then you want to pivot just a little bit. You want to know, what can I do? What else? What other ideas or what other areas can I, venture into that can make money or bring passive income to my business. So we're going to break down the pros and the cons of each type of these digital products, and then you can choose which one is the right one for you. Number one, we're going to start with ebooks. So ebooks are perfect if you like to write or you want to teach through, providing information. So these are mostly for people who, as I said, you don't want to be on camera, you don't want to, video yourself, but you would like to give people information on everything that the skills, the knowledge that you currently have in your brain, and you want to just put it out there to your audience, then an ebook would be perfect for you to get started with. Next, you can use ChatGPT to write this ebook for you in minutes. So what you want to do is use ChatGPT to give you the outline of the ebook that you're trying to create. Tell ChatGPT, what area are you trying to create this digital product in? What problem is this digital product trying to going to solve for the audience? And ChatGPT will literally give you ideas, and you now can take these ideas and turn it into your first ebook. So an example of a prompt that you can use in ChatGPT is to write a 5-chapter ebook for a beginner in fitness, in beauty, or whatever your industry in. Just fill that space and put it in ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will lay out the outline for the ebook. And if you want some more prompts on what to put in ChatGPT, exact prompt that you put in ChatGPT that will help you to start creating your first digital product, launch it, and how to even sell it. I've created a prompt packed for you, and I've linked it down in the description box below where you can check that out as well. So the next part of your ebook is your design. So you can design your ebook in Canva, then you can upload it to Etsy and start it to sell it from there. So that's just a simple guide or a simple step-by-step where you can just create an ebook. You can use Canva to outline it and use Canva to design it, and then just start to sell it online on Etsy. So that's like the easiest route to go in creating your ebook. So here we are in Canva. So Canva is what I use to do my design. So for instance, if you just wanted to create a simple, planner or a simple template, then you can or even an ebook, you can just type it in right here. And then Canva will give you the templates for an ebook. So for instance, if you want to, this says how to sell art online. So you could choose this. You could customize it for whatever it is that you're selling. You could use this exact template that they have and create your own digital product from it. You can create an ebook, and then you can put it on any platform and sell it. So another place where you get the ideas for these digital products, in case you don't know what to put in your digital product, you're like, Shanique, I don't know where to start. How do I start? So to get your ideas together, I'm going to jump on over to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to show you a simple prompt where you can use to get started on your digital product journey. If you're stuck, if you're not sure where to start, let me show you the prompt. So the next digital product that we can start with as well are templates. So templates are easy. Templates are for people that want to help other people to save time. So you can design social media templates, business planners, and even journals using Canva. And with templates, these sell extremely well on Etsy. So they don't require any writing, not much writing, or even having to, video yourself on or even show your face on camera. So it's basically just creating something that somebody needs to save time. And then you just put it in Etsy, and then you can make sales with a simple template from there as well. So the number three digital product is courses, and courses are the highest earning, have the highest earning potential out of all these digital products that I've mentioned before, and I'll tell you why. So with courses, you can use ChatGPT to write the scripts and the outline. Then you can just go over to Canva, create a simple PowerPoint template, get a simple PowerPoint template from there, change the colors, change the fonts, change the information that are there, and then you can turn it into a course. Also in recording, for your courses, you want to have, video recording. So as you're talking on screen, such as I am right now, they're able to visualize, they're able to see what exactly you're explaining. So that is one of the reasons why the courses are so much more valuable, and they have higher earning potentials, because it's more time that you take to invest to create a course for someone. It's more time, talking on camera while recording yourself. So that is why the courses are priced higher than even an ebook or a template, because they are more value packed. So with courses, you want to keep it simple. 3 to 5 short videos teaching your main transformation. So what this means is that whatever problem your course is solving, then you want to keep it very simple and precise as to where is this transformation taking your audience. What is the transformation that you're giving them? What is the outcome of this course? And you want to make the videos exactly to match what it is that you're giving them. Where are they going to be, or what are they going to become after buying your course and watching the videos and the slides? So this is more of a transformational type of digital product. So after you're done, you can upload this to simple system.io or Notion as well, and then you can just start to sell your courses from there. So now you want to ask yourself, do I like writing? Then if you like writing, then you go with an ebook. The next question you want to ask is, do I like designing? If you like designing, then you can go with a template. And the final question you want to ask yourself, do I like teaching? And if that answer is yes, then you can choose to do a mini course. So pick one of these, start with one, and then you can use AI to help you to, go into the others. So if you wanted to start with just a simple ebook guide or just a simple template, and then when you have more experience or go, further on into your business, then you can create a more in-depth course teaching what you do. And if you want help trying to figure out your first digital product idea, then I've created a free guide where I've show you 5 AI digital products idea that you can get started with. And I've linked it down in the description box below where you can grab it now. So I want you to comment below which one of these digital products are you going to start with? Are you going to start with an ebook, a template, or even a course? And then I'm going to reply to your comment down below as to what AI tools you can use to get started. So don't overthink this. Don't procrastinate. Just pick one and get started now. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.